Welcome to another episode of Math Media Kinidam Madhuram. Today I am going to discuss Chapter 3 Understanding Quadrilaterals of Class 8 Mathematics, Exercise 3.1, question number 6 and 7. Let's move to our first question, that is question number 6. Find the angle measure x in the following figures. Our first question, a quadrilateral is given and angle B of the quadrilateral is x. We have to find angle B. We know that sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So by using the property of angle sum property of quadrilateral, we can easily find the variable x. Let's see how to solve. Let ABCD be the given quadrilateral. Sum of measures of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So we can add all the angles, 50 degree plus x degree plus 120 degree plus 130 degree equal to 360 degree, or x plus 300 equal to 360, or x equal to 360 minus 300, that is x equal to 60 degree is the unknown angle. Next question, question B. Find x. Again they have given a quadrilateral ABCD, out of which one angle is given 90 degree, and so we can give angle 1 in the interior angle of the quadrilateral. So obviously angle 1 equal to 90 degree. By using the property of angle sum property of quadrilateral, we can find the value of x here also. Measure angle 1 equal to 90 degree. Sum of measures of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So we can add all the angles of quadrilateral, that is x plus 70 plus 60 plus 90 equal to 360 degree. That is x plus 220 equal to 360 degree, or x equal to 360 minus 220, that is x equal to 140 degree. Find x from the given figure. Given ABCDE is a polygon with 5 sides, out of which two angles, angle E and angle B, are of same measures, and exterior angle D is given as 70 degree and exterior angle C is given as 60 degree. So the interior angle of D and C, we can name it as angle 1 and angle 2 respectively. So we can find angle 1 and angle 2 by using the property of linear pair of angles. So we can see how to solve. Sum of measures of all angles of a pentagon equal to 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. That is 3 into 180 degree equal to 540 degree. Now measure angle 1 equal to 180 minus 70 degree, because 70 degree and angle 1 will form a linear pair. Therefore, measure angle 1 equal to 110 degree. Similarly, measure angle 2 equal to 180 minus 60 degree, that is equal to 120 degree. As we know that sum of measures of all angles of a pentagon is 540 degree. So we got all angles of the pentagon. So we can add all the angles. So we get 30 degree plus x degree plus 120 degree plus 110 degree plus x degree equal to 540 degree. that is 2x plus 260 equal to 540, or 2x equal to 540 minus 260, that is 2x equal to 280, or x equal to 280 upon 2, that is equal to 140 degree. So in the given pentagon, equal measure of angle x is 140 degree each. Next question, question D. Find x from the given figure. We observe that given figure ABCDE is a regular pentagon. Regular pentagon means a pentagon whose all sides are equal in length and all angles are of equal measure. And we know the sum of angles of a pentagon is 540 degree. By using angle sum property of pentagon, we can find the unknown angle x. Sum of angles of a pentagon equal to 540 degree. That is by using the formula n minus 2 into 180 degree. All angles are equal because the given figure is a regular pentagon. So we get 5x equal to 540, or x equal to 540 upon 5. After cancelling, we get x equal to 108 degree. So each angle of a regular pentagon is 108 degree. Next question, question number 7. Find x plus y plus z from the given figure. It is given the exterior angles. So let's solve. First we can find x plus 90 equal to 180 degree. Hence x equal, because x and 90 will form a linear pair. Therefore x equal to 180 minus 90 equal to 90 degree. Next, with the same reason, z plus 30 also form a linear pair. So angle z plus 30 degree equal to 180 degree. Reason, linear pair of angles. Hence z equal to 180 minus 30, that is equal to 150. Next, y equal to 90 degree plus 30 degree. The reason is exterior angle property. Means exterior angle equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Here y is the exterior angle and the opposite interior angles are 90 and 30. Therefore y equal to 120 degree. Now we got the values of x, y and z. Our question is find x plus y plus z. Now we can substitute the values. That is 90 plus 120 plus 150, that is equal to 360 degree. Our next question, question 7b. Find x plus y plus z plus w. Observe the figure. The given figure is a quadrilateral, out of which 3 angles are given. So the fourth angle we can name it as angle 1. So by using angle sum property of a quadrilateral, we can find angle 1. Sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral equal to 360 degree. We can substitute the values, that is measure angle 1 plus 60 plus 80 plus 120 degree equal to 360 degree. That is measure angle 1 plus 260 equal to 360 degree. Therefore measure angle 1 equal to 360 minus 260, that is equal to 100 degree. So we found the unknown angle of interior angle of the quadrilateral, that is angle 1 is 100 degree. Now angle Z plus 60 degree equal to 180 because they form a linear pair. Therefore Z equal to 180 minus 60 equal to 120 degree. Next, y plus 80 equal to 180 degree. Reason, they form a linear pair. Hence, y equal to 180 minus 80 equal to 100 degree. Similarly, x plus 120 equal to 180, linear pair. Therefore, x equal to 180 minus 120 equal to 60 degree. Now the last one, w plus measure angle 1 equal to 180 degree. They form a linear pair. Now we can substitute the measure angle 1 as 100 degree. We already found the value. So w plus 100 equal to 180 degree, or w equal to 180 minus 100 equal to 80 degree. Now we found the values of x, y, z and w. Our question is find x plus y plus z plus w. So we can substitute the values. So we get 60 plus 100 plus 120 plus 80 degree. While adding we get 360 degree.